Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make this delicious almond pound cake. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Fred Russell, your Pampered Chef guy, and we are going to make this delicious almond pound cake today. It is one of our pantry items, and we're going to make it in the stone loaf pan. So what I'm going to do is I got my mixer out. I'm going to lightly spray my pan with Baker's Joy. If you don't use Baker's Joy, you need to try it. It's really, really good for flouring and greasing your pan. So I got my pan nice and greased there. We'll set it to the side. And then into my, let me get some scissors. And we'll get this cut open. All right. So we're going to dump this into our mixer. The almond pound cake with 3/4 cup of water. And then 1.5 sticks of softened butter. And 3 eggs is going into the mix here. And then we'll get the other part of the butter in. All right, there we go. We're going to do the eggs. Now the way that almond mix smells delicious. I love almond, and that really smells good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crack my eggs one at a time into the glass pitcher and then dump it in. And the reason that I'm doing that is if I happen to get an eggshell in the egg, I can fish it out before I put it into the mix. So it's a little trick for you. Got one more egg. All right, so that's all we add to it. And then what we're going to do is going to let this down, turn on our mixer, and then let me step around here, and we're going to put this on beat on mix, and we're going to do it for 2 minutes, and then it begins to go. Okay, it mixed for 2 minutes, and then the mixer cuts off. I love the timer feature on our new stand mixer. So we're going to take the beater off, get it cleaned off there, put it in the sink, and then we'll take our mix and we're going to pour it into our pan. And it's got nice butter chunks in there. That's what's going to make it delicious, is those layers of butter. So we get that. Put this in the oven of 325 for 58 minutes. So we'll get our kitchen timer, and we'll get this set for 50. Okay. Our oven is almost ready to go. Okay, so 58 minutes, we're going to push go. And our timer is off and running. Now, if you are joining me during this video and it is February of 2024, we have a special this month, and that special is you can buy 3 of our bacon mixes and get the 4th one free. I've just got a sampling of all the ones that we have here: sourdough, bread, pizza crust, of course the almond cake, and the caramel latte bread. These are just a couple that I happen to have, but you can get these for 3 and get the 4th one free this month. That is on special, so if you want to get that, I've got a link down in the description where you can get that. This month, if you host a party in February, you can get 2 pieces of stoneware for 60% off when your party qualifies to $200. Now, that is just 3 to 4 orders in your party. So if you'd like to host to get that stoneware, everybody loves the stoneware. We're using the loaf pan today. We also have the pizza stone, and we've got the large bacon dish, some different items. So we'll be showing you some of those. But if you'd like to get the 2 for 60% off, be sure to host a party. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can do that as well. So we're going to let this bake in the oven and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. The timer's getting ready to go off. And there it goes. It has been 58 minutes. So let's take a look at our cake and pull it out of the oven. Get my gloves on here. And let's see what it looks like. All right, it's nice and bubbly. That comes out clean. So there it is out of the oven. And we've got to let it cool a little bit before we turn it out of the pan. And here we go with our nice almond pound cake. It's out of the oven and it's in cool mode. So it's going to cool for a little bit. And then once it gets nice and cool, we'll cut a piece and have a bite. Okay, it's time to take a taste. Let's see how it is. That's delicious. Nice almond taste, nice and soft. That is excellent. You got to get you some of this. That is really good. Got to get you some of that almond pound cake. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can order yours. This is Chef Fred saying thanks for joining me today. Bon appetit. Go cook something great today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.